Referring to the scariest animals in the wild, we will immediately think of big cats. Any animal in the habitat is their potential prey, and one of their favorite food is hyena. Today, we will come to the tragic fate of hyenas when attacked by big cats. This hyena is injured in the hind leg. It has to move on its three other legs. Looks like it just got hacked. It was difficult to move on the road on three legs, but it was still chased by a lion in the bushes. The lion is enjoying the buffalo he had just hunted deliciously. The hyena appeared out of nowhere, as if they were trying to steal food from the lions. This made the lion angry. He immediately rushed to the chase hyena because he dared to look at his meal. Hyenas are cold-blooded and ruthless animals. For some unknown reason, these female hyena rush to attack a young hyena. After the young hyena died, the hyenas left without mercy. The lion was looking for food when he came across a carcass of hyena that had been attacked earlier, a delicious dessert that takes no effort at all. These hyenas are carefree playing with each other without knowing a lion is approaching them. By the time it was discovered, it was too late. The lion lunged at the hyena. Fortunately, the lion missed. The hyena narrowly escaped death. It seems that these two male lions have discovered the prey ahead. This unlucky hyena was caught by a lion. They rushed to bite their prey mercilessly. The hyena could do nothing but become a hearty meal for the male lion. These two hungry lions are looking for food to fill their empty bellies. The hyena seems to be getting lost from its herd. Seeing this, the two lions immediately lay face down in the camouflage in the meadow, waiting for the hyena to approach. Seeing the time had come, the lions rushed to attack their prey, thought it would die here, but the hyena was lucky to escape successfully. These two lions are approaching the hyenas. It seems they want to compete with the hyenas for food. A melee battle for food took place between two lions and a herd of hyenas. The hyenas were so numerous that the victory belonged to them. These two hyenas seem to be very hungry. A hyena that has smelled isn't around. After a while of trying to sniff with its nose, it discovered the leopard's food hidden in the tree. Hunger made them try to jump up and steal food from the apricots. After failed many attempts, they also managed to get a piece of meat. This poor leopard cub appears to have been attacked by a pack of hyenas while its mother was away. However, in the wild, there is no place for the weak. The hyenas rush to bite and eat the leopard cub. Tired of hunting for prey, the leopard was roamed by wild dogs, as if it had wanted to rob its prey. The leopard immediately rushed out to chase the wild dog away. However, after a while the wild dog caught its companion. The leopard had to climb to the tree to take refuge, regretfully watching its prey being lifted up. It seemed to have been a delicious meal when two hyenas appeared out of nowhere. And competed for food with the wild dogs. After, another battle broke out. The impala alone is facing a pack of ferocious wild dogs. The difficulty is doubled when two more hyenas appeared to attack the impala. A fierce battle unfolded. The wild beasts and zebra herd calmly waded across the river to the other side. Unaware that the leopard was lurking nearby, the two zebras at the end of the unlucky herd were attacked by leopards. Baby zebra being caught by leopards. Her mother tried her best to protect her, but she couldn't do anything. It seems that this male leopard has discovered nearby prey. It uses its inherent speed to rush towards the prey. The wild beast was easily caught by the leopard. It uses its sharp teeth to bite the neck of its prey. After a while of resistance, the wild beast was exhausted and lay still accepting its fate.